Alright guys, we're going to do a spatchcock chicken. We're going to lay the bird down and cut the backbone out just using some sharp kitchen shears. Once you get that backbone, you can discard it or use it for soup. I'm going to use a knife and go right here at the breastbone, kind of helps break it apart. Pull anything out, and you don't need, get that out of there. We're going to rub this thing down with olive oil and push down on that breastbone. It helps break it apart and lay the bird flat. So get that olive oil all over, even under the skin, and then we're going to put on your favorite seasoning. I'm using Meat Church's Voodoo, which is delicious, and get the whole bird, the top and bottom, even underneath the skin where we put that olive oil. We're going to smoke it at 225 for 45 minutes, and then we're going to crank that temperature up to 425. We're going to crank it up 425 to give it that crispy skin. If you cook it on low, you're going to have real rubbery skin. And that's it. Pull it off. I do not tent this in aluminum foil. That way the skin stays crispy. Enjoy.